Now we begin with a ruling by Korea's highest court. The nation's constitutional court upheld an anti-graft law considered controversial by some. It's set to take effect in September. Korea's political parties across the aisle welcomed this decision, saying the anti-corruption law will help create a more transparent society. Myung-kil has our top story.
The Constitutional Court has issued its ruling on the so-called Kim law, named after the person who proposed it, saying it does not violate the Constitution. The National Assembly passed the tough law, which is aimed at deterring corruption in the public sector, in March of last year. Under the law, it will be legal for civil servants, journalists, and educators hired by private schools to receive individual gifts of goods or services worth more than $887, up to a combined total of $2,655 a year. The law also makes it illegal to accept meals exceeding $27, presents in excess of $44, or receiving more than $89 in money for a wedding or funeral. But controversy arose over the law's inclusion of journalists and private school teachers and their spouses. The conflict was exacerbated by the fact that the lawmakers who passed the act and were supposed to be its targets had excluded themselves. Shortly after the law's passage, the Korean Bar Association, the Journalists Association of Korea, and private school teachers filed a constitutional appeal, claiming that the law puts excessive regulation on the private sector. The court's ruling said, however, the press and private schools would not be able to prevent corruption without being subject to the law. The two main rival parties welcomed the ruling.
The Saenuri Party respects the court's decision. We will make efforts with the opposition bloc to enhance the transparency of the public sector through the Kim Act.
The Constitutional Court has shown support for the purpose of legislating this law to make our society more fair and transparent. The ruling has also finally put an end to the ongoing controversies surrounding it.
The minor opposition People's Party and the Justice Party echo the view. But the law is still drawing a backlash from restaurants, retailers, farmers, and many other business owners who claim the law will damage their business. Myung-kil, Arirang News.